Speaker, sir, that Honorable Minister is the inquiry which I will also, I brought so many things, I will like to share it with him and I will table it on the house, which he is also aware. It is already marked. I don't want to waste the time of the house. I only want to know this inquiry, when this collector will take so seriously and finish it, because it is giving wrong replies to the assemblies, which he is also admitted in his reply. So I want him to answer me this first.
Speaker sir, Komudat's Montagur, this way, this all come under the Code of Komunidad, and the government abides by the Code of Komunidad. Bab Nilesh Kavralanjo Prashna Malla is one of the issues of the Komunidad issues what we are facing. There are a lot of issues. ताज्या शिरवयचोच इश्यू एक आयला पाडेमालचो, जंय 112 घरां इलिगल आसा. आतां कलेक्टर काडटा आनी ती उडयतात भायर. There is a different issue. But this illegality करता आसतना there is no revenue generation shown by whatever means. कोलवाळे इश्यू जालो, कोलवाळे जायना फुडें थिवीचो आयलो, हे इश्यू चालूच आसा कोमुदातीचे. ताज्या खातीर same person who has put that fraud went to the court and asked for a Kumudat commission to be appointed by citing his grievances. And म्हाका दिसता Speaker sir, some section 40, writ petition or writ of 406 of 2016, ताज्या प्रमाणे म्हाका दिसता कोमुदात कमिशनूय कॉन्स्टिट्यूट करपाचें जालें आनी कोमुदात कमिशन कॉन्स्टिट्यूट करून हे सगळे इरेग्युलरिटीज ज्यो आसा ते पळोवपा खातीर दिस हॅज बीन पुट इन. Coming to his fraud issue, he has already put this fraud issue, the person who has put it, ताज जेन्ना कमिटी कॉन्स्टिट्यूट जाली, this was somewhere on 13/12/2016. 13/12/2016 कमिटी कॉन्स्टिट्यूट जाल्या to inquire on this particular thing. ताज्या मागीर कोड आयलो, इलेक्शनां जालीं आनी 5 जुनाक पयली इन्क्वायरी जाल्या. 5 जुनाक इन्क्वायरी जेन्ना जाल्या Speaker sir, there are various issues which these people have done. The first meeting, which is under additional collector of, who is the chairman of this committee, त्या कमिटीच्या हातून terms of reference were fixed up and there are details which have been asked from the Komunidad. दिरेमा तुम्ही कितलो पे केलो, बाकीच्यो गोष्टी कितले हे केला, अकाउंट्सा कडल्यान मागले आनी इन्क्वायरी हॅज स्टार्टेड. प्रश्न असो येता की इज इट टेकन एज अ एक्झाम्पल टू इन्क्रीज इलिगॅलिटीज काय म्हणून. ताज्या खातीर जी इन्क्वायरी तुवें घेतिल्ली आसा, स्टार्ट केल्ली आसा, विदीन द नेक्स्ट 90 days, that is 3 months, we will ensure that the report of this inquiry is काडटले आनी ताज्या प्रमाणे एक्शन जे घेवपा जाय ते घेतले.
So many irregularities are there, and what is the burden? The salaries of these people who are working there are not given. Speaker sir, I just want to ask Honorable Minister that how does the government intend to resolve this, because it's part of this question only. How does the government intend to resolve the salaries issues which has been again and again coming up for the last so many years of the South Goa Komunidad?
Government has taken a decision that in the Honorable CM and the decision घेतिल्ले आसा as far as this particular thing is concerned, for the next 4 years, the grant in aid will continue in a particular pattern. In this particular year, Speaker sir, 2016-2017 पर्यंत फायनान्शियल इयरान जी ग्रांट डिस्पर्स जाल्ली, ताजी 75% पे जातली. फुडल्या वर्सा 50% पे जातली ऑफ 2016-2017. ताज्या मागीर 25% जातली ऑफ 2016-2017, and within these 4 years, government will, the Komudats will have to ensure and the administrative officer will have to ensure that they become self-sufficient. आणि हाज्या खातीर कोमुदादीनूय मातशें लक्ष घालचें पडटलें. ताणें म्हणल्यार सारकें आसा Speaker sir, 90 कोमुदादी समज आसा जाल्यार फक्त 42 कोमुदादी चालू आसा सावथ गोवान, 48 कोमुदादी चलत ना. आनी ताज्या खातीर हें फक्त सावथ न्ही जाल्यार नॉर्थ आनी सेंट्रलानूय आमकां पळोवची पडटली. ही गजाल अत्यंत म्हत्वाची आसा, कित्याक this is being taken very casually, and I assure the House that within the next 4 to 6 months we will set this right.